When the clutch pedal is used, it is quick to disengage and slow to engage. During daily driving, it is forbidden to keep your left foot on the main clutch pedal. The brake pedal is divided into a left brake pedal and a right brake pedal. The normal left and right brake pedals are interlocked together and become a single unit. During normal driving, press the left and right brake pedals at the same time. If you're in the field, you need a small turning radius. Open the left and right pedal cleats to make sure the left and right pedals can be operated separately. When turning left, press the left brake pedal. Achieve the smallest left turn radius. Press the right brake pedal and steer right to minimize the turning radius. Electronic throttle pedal. When starting the whole vehicle, there is no need to press the accelerator pedal. The main shift joystick is on the inside and has 1, 2, 3 to 4 gears. The sub-shift joystick is on the outside, and this model has HLMR. The creeping handle is installed on the floor. Before starting, the main and secondary shifters must be in neutral position. The differential locks next to the crawler handle. In normal driving, it is forbidden to use differential locks. On a dirt road, when the left/right tire falls into a mud puddle. At this point, the differential lock can be depressed. Keep pressing the pedal without letting go, and the left and right half shafts are connected as a whole. Engage a low gear, such as L1 or L2. The front wheels run in a straight line. Have the outside tires drive out of the mud puddle with the tires. Make sure you are out of the mud puddle and then release the differential lock pedal. It is forbidden to press the differential lock pedal for a long time. Front drive axle control handle. Push down, the power is disconnected. Pull up, power engaged. The toe shift lever allows steer to different rotational speeds. When shifting gears, pull the pair clutch lever to the highest position. There is no P mark on the handle, and it is the auxiliary clutch joystick. Working state, the handle is the lowest position. Detached state, the handle is in the highest position. In daily use of the auxiliary clutch joystick, it is forbidden to be in the middle position. In this state, the auxiliary clutch friction plates are prone to early wear. The one with the P mark on the handle is the parking brake joystick. After the vehicle is stopped and turned off, pull the parking handle to the highest position. Avoid the vehicle slipping and play a role in safety protection. Hand throttle control lever, which can be used to control engine speed to ensure stable engine throttle when plowing the land. Pull back, stretch the cylinder. Push forward, shrink the cylinder. Push the handle to the front to float the tool along the terrain. Cigarette lighters, currently mostly used as 600 power supplies for portable devices. Polymorphic switch, divided into no load, medium load, heavy load. The gears can be adjusted according to the load, so that the vehicle can run in the economic area, and the fuel consumption is reduced by more than 10%. Lifter joystick, with 4 positions: lifting, neutral, lowering, floating. Pull back to lift the agricultural implement. When the implement reaches the highest position, the mechanical feedback mechanism pushes the joystick forward to reach the neutral position. Continuing to push forward is the descending position. When lowered in position, the handle automatically returns. Continue to push forward to reach the floating position. The floating position handle locks. Left turn signal. Low beam. High beam. Width lamp. Battery indicator light. Oil filter indicator. Air filter indicator light. Water separator. Heat ready indicator. Engine fault indicator. Oil pressure indicator. Barometric pressure indicator. Parking brake indicator. Right turning light. Tachometer. Water temperature meter. Oil pressure. Fuel quantity. Press F1 to switch the language page and F for returns. Press F2 to enter the main parameter table. Press F3 to mute. Press F4 to display the maintenance periodic table. Before driving a tractor, the following points should be noted. 1. Ensure that the throttle is in the lowest position. 2. Check the polymorphic switch to ensure that it is in the unloaded position. If in medium or heavy load gear, adjust to the unloaded gear position. 3. Check the auxiliary clutch control lever. If in the middle position, the handle needs to be placed in the highest or lowest position. 4. Check that the main and auxiliary control levers are in neutral position. 5. Step on the main clutch pedal. 6. Turn on the ignition switch and start the entire vehicle. Attention! Do not step on the electronic accelerator pedal when turning the ignition switch to start. 7. Choose H1 or H2 gear to start. 8. Release the parking brake lever. 9. Slowly release the main clutch pedal. Attention! During driving, do not step on the main clutch pedal with your left foot. 10. During the driving process, switch gears by first pressing the clutch pedal. After the vehicle slows down, switch gears. Proper technical maintenance can reduce malfunctions and extend service life. Clean the air filter and dust valve in each shift. Clean the pre-filter of the air filter in each shift. Open the air filter cover. Clean at 50 henries, then clean every 250 henries and replace every 500 henries thereafter. Attention! If the primary filter is damaged, it needs to be replaced simultaneously with a secondary filter element. When the air filter blockage indicator light is on, the air filter element must be cleaned. The oil-water separator is drained every 50 hours. When the oil-water indicator light on the instrument panel is on, it is necessary to drain the water and replaced every 500 hours thereafter. Replace the diesel filter for the first 50 hours and every 250 hours thereafter. The oil filter is located on the right side of the engine. Replace the oil filter and oil within the first 50 hours, and then replace the oil filter and oil every 250 hours thereafter. When the oil filter indicator light is on, the oil filter needs to be replaced. Recommended hydraulic oil is HM4, 6 #hydraulic oil. Check the hydraulic oil level in each shift and add it if it is insufficient. The return oil filter is located at the top rear of the hydraulic oil tank. Replace the return oil filter for the first 50 hours and every 250 hours thereafter. The breathing is located on the upper part of the hydraulic oil tank. Check and clean every 250 hours. Oil suction filter, replace first 50 Hz and then every 250 henries thereafter. Hydraulic oil must be replaced every 1000 henries. This oil suction filter is located at the lower rear of the dual pump. This oil suction filter element is a transmission hydraulic oil filter element. Replace the filter element for the first 50 hours, and then replace it every 250 hours thereafter. Attention! Before replacing the filter element, clean the iron filings on the magnet thoroughly. When installing the filter element, keep the large mouth of the filter element facing inward. The oil dip stick is on the left side of the engine. Different horsepower, the front and rear positions of the oil dip stick are different. Check the oil level to ensure it is between the scale lines. Clean the dipstick and repeat the measurement 3 times. When insufficient, add it between the scales. The fuel port is located on the left front side of the engine. In summer, 15 watts 40 CH4. In winter 5 watts 30 CH4, 10 watts 30 CH4, 15 watts 30 CH4. The oil drain bolts are located on both sides of the bottom of the engine oil pan. Check the chassis oil level every shift. If it is below the scale line, add it in a timely manner. The fuel port is located at the rear, right end of the tractor. It is recommended to add GL for type gear oil to the chassis oil. Say 85 watts/90. The oil drain plug is located at the lowest part of the chassis. The hydraulic oil needs to be added separately for the central transmission and end transmission of the front axle. Remove this bolt and observe the hydraulic height. When insufficient, it is also added through this bolt position. Recommend adding GL for type gear oil. Say 85 watts/90. The drain plug is located at the lowest part. The inspection methods for the end drives on both sides are the same. Rotate the detection bolt to the middle horizontal position. Open the bolt and check if the oil level can be seen. If it is insufficient, add it. When draining oil, turn this bolt to the low position. Regularly check the brake fluid to ensure it is between the scale lines. Recommended use: synthetic brake fluid D0T3 or D0T4. Mineral oil CHF1. Check the antifreeze in the radiator every shift and add it if it is insufficient. Attention! After work is completed, do not rush to open the radiator cap to avoid burns. Add butter to all grease fittings of the vehicle in each shift. After the above training is completed, open the toolbox. The information includes a parts catalog, instructions, maintenance record sheet. Find the maintenance record sheet. Both parties sign to confirm.